Cp is always greater than Cv. Cp is equal to gamma times of Cv. Gamma is equal to Cp divided by Cv. Right. So Cv is equal to what is that? R by gamma minus 1. One more relation. Cp is equal to gamma R by gamma minus 1. One more relation for Cp and Cv. Right. Then gamma is nothing but molar specific heat ratio. Heat ratio, it is equal to 1 plus 2 by F. F is equal to degree of freedom. Degree of freedom. For monatomic gas, F degree of freedom it is 3 for monatomic gas. Next F value it is 5 for diatomic gas. F value is 6 for polyatomic gas. Right. Okay. So tabular form, this is gamma degree of freedom. Next gas nature, that is mono, dia, poly. Degree of freedom 3, 5, 6. Gamma values 1 plus 2 by F. What is that? 5 by 3, 7 by 5. Next 6, 4 by 3. Okay. Next here Cp, Cv 5R by 2, 3R by 2. Next 7R by 2, 5R by 2, 4R, 3R. Hold it. And next, the fractional heat converted into work, fractional heat converted into heat. That is fractional heat converted into increase in internal energy. Fractional heat convert into internal energy. du divided by dq. du is equal to ncv dt. ncp dt. Here n get cancel, dp dt cancel. 1 by gamma percentage du by dq into 100 is equal to 1 by gamma into 100. Next, fractional heat convert into increase in external work. External work, therefore dw divided by dq. dw is equal to nr into dt divided by n cp into dt. N get cancel, dt cancel. R by gamma minus 1. Therefore gamma minus 1 by gamma. Percentage dq into 100 is equal gamma minus 1 by gamma into 100. So this is fractional heat converted into external work. Processes, thermodynamical processes. So first one isothermal, next adiabatic, next isobaric, isochoric. Next, isothermal temperature remains constant. What changes are occur? But here heat remains constant, pressure remains constant, volume constant. Okay, so here change in internal energy is 0. Here dq is equal to 0, heat is constant, dp is equal to 0, dv is equal to 0. Change in volume is 0. First law of thermodynamics. First law, dq is equal to dw, du is equal to minus of dw, dq is equal to du plus dw, dq is equal to du, dw is 0, pdv that is equal 0. Next, here graph PV graph curve. Why? Because Boyle's law will be satisfied. Okay, here in this case P V is equal to K. Here PV power gamma is equal to K. Slope is more compared with this. Isobaric process, pressure is constant. Next, isochoric process, volume is constant. Next, here slope of this isothermal dp divided by dv that is equal to minus of p by v. Next, this is called slope. Next, slope of adiabatic, gamma of p by v. Here slope dp by dv that is 0 by something 0. Next, slope dp by dv, dp divided by 0 it is infinity. Right. Isothermal process, what is that? nRT log V2 by V1 to base E in terms of okay, log tens 2.3026 nRT log V2 by V1 to base 10, small m by capital M R into T log V2 by V1 here 2.3026 base 10. Universal gas constant per unit mass, it is called specific gas constant 2.3026 small m small r t log V2 by V1 to base 10. P is inversely proportional to V. Here 2.3026 small m r t log P1 by P2 into base 10. So these are work done by the gas in isothermal process, work done in adiabatical process, R by gamma minus 1 into T1 minus T2. For n moles, small m by capital M, R by gamma minus 1 into T1 minus T2. Small m into small r by small r gamma minus 1 into T1 minus T2. dW is equal to here n into Cv into T1 minus T2, another form. Right. ఎంత వచ్చింది?